Hello, welcome to another episode on Uncle Tan Unboxing. Today we are going to unbox what I just bought, and it's really popular in Qoo10, so I bought it at $20 something. Sorry about the background, there's some construction work around my office area, so I have to always be hearing the bing bing bong bong sound, so pardon me. Okay, so today we are going to unbox the AMOI wireless earbuds. So at $20 something, I believe it's $24.90. It packs with a battery charging dock for the earbud, and that kind of price, normally you don't come with a battery charger for earbud. So this is what I received. I'm going to go ahead to unbox it and give you a close-up on what it looks like and what it feels like. First of all, the box, nothing fantastic. It's not sealed, there's no plastic cover over it, nothing. So it looks like it's been opened before, or it's just been, if anybody open this and do some switching of products, you wouldn't get to know because it's not sealed. So yeah, let me zoom in on the product itself. Okay, so give it a better zoom here. So okay, once I unbox this, actually this is okay. Maybe I should get the angle a bit closer, okay. Here you go. This is how it looks like. USB, micro USB cable. Micro USB cable, my guess is just at least 30 cm. Yep, about 30 cm. Okay, so that one side. And you have two sizes of earbuds. Small one for smaller ear hole and big one for big ear hole. Of course, this is the main reason why I think this AMOI okay, is a good deal, because this one is a according to the box, it is a 3500 mAh battery charging dock. What I mean by battery charging dock is it has a dock just for your earpiece and also a battery indicator. So pretty cool. So I can either charge, okay, I can either charge the battery, 3500 mAh battery, and or I can supplying power to other handphone or other device that I need to charge. So these can be both a battery pack and a charging dock. But if you are always using your earpiece, then you might want to save your power for your earbud, wireless earbud. So this is what you're getting. This is the main thing. Look how small this is. Okay, this is what you will receive. So like what I said, it looks like something from the packing department, just probably some shady warehouse, like they just get this box, throw this in, put this in back, then put it in a box, and ta-da, it's shipped to you. So the packing isn't really well put up, and there's no security package or plastic seal for this boxing. But product wise, nothing much I can really criticize about for that kind of price, because for the buyer that I buy from Qoo10, it comes directly from China, so it mails directly from China, so it's not going through Singapore. So it took a very long time. I think it took almost a month before I received this. So shipping is no good, but if you want that kind of price, then you have to take something out of the equation, which is the waiting time. So lower price, longer waiting time; higher price, shorter waiting time. So I shall go ahead to charge this. So you place a earbud into the charging dock, and immediately you can see light shining out. Do you see the blue light? So the blue lights indicate the power of the earbud. So now both of them are charging. Oh, one is not. Is it because, oh yeah, both is charging. So I think the angle of the LED it can't be seen on camera, but it's both that is charging. So when you charge, you can just close it, put it aside, and it's very simple. What I really like about this is that there's actually a magnet attached to the casing. So there's maybe a positive and negative here. So when I go in, it will just pop in, and one more time. So it just stick onto the charging a pin, which is fantastic, because I don't want to figure out, I don't want to adjust my way, because some of the earbud charging dock, right, they are, if the pin and the connector is not connected nicely, then you have to adjust here left and right to make sure that this is charging, and if it's not charging, then you'll be wasting our time putting in a dock. So something I like. So in you go, and it start charging. Fantastic. So something at $20-something, this is considered a quite a good deal. But I have tried this and connect this before. So let me just wear this for you to see first, okay, and how it looks like wearing it. Put it back to myself. Okay, not someone that is handsome, but just for a moment, letting you see how it looks like. So you can put in easily on my ear. Okay, here it goes. So fits nicely. So if let's say I've actually done running with this. The cool thing is, because these two earbuds has two separate on and off, so it actually works like a two separate device. So it works like a two Bluetooth earpiece. So only when both of them connect, then it will work as two. So I have to switch this on, and I have to switch this on in order to get both to power on, and I can listen to music with a synchro music. If not, if I power this on and I think that it's synchro, it doesn't. So at first, this is what I thought. I will just need to power this on, and this will probably be on. But no, it's not like this. It is actually a two separate device. So what's so good about this, if it's a two separate device? What I did was I took one and I wear it, and I pass it to my wife, who is also jogging beside me, and she used this, and we share the music. So isn't that really good? one of the perks, one of the good things that I think this AMOI is capable of. If you have a couple running, you can share the music, and you don't have to have two person carrying the handphone and listening to a different music, and you can run with the beat in the same music, in the same rhythm. Isn't that fantastic? So I think this at $20 something for 2 person to use, that's a plus. So many will like to ask about the sound quality of this. I would say the sound quality is no good. So why do I say it's no good? When it's just no good. There's no bass, not a lot of bass. There's not a lot of oof, and the music sounds thin. If I play a bit louder, it will sound like it's going to break. So sound quality wise, this is only like a 2-star. But in terms of the price I pay, the quality of the charging dock, and it does connect well, and it does have okay quality sound at $20 something. It's quite cool buy. So that is for my review for this AMOI earbud with charging dock. So hope that with this review you can have a better understanding of this product, and see whether you want to buy this yourself next time. I mean, now it's still selling very well. There's others, but AMOI, you can check that out. So okay, I shall leave you here. So if you want to check out other review, go to subscribe Uncle Tan channel, and we have done other review for other products that we buy from some place and test out and see whether this is really worth the money. So subscribe to us, and we will try out even more products when we buy either on Qoo10, Lazada, Shopee, and all the other platforms that we think products is cool. We'll try it out. So if you have anything for me to try, you can send over to me. The address is over at our about button. Okay, see you.